So this thing definitely has the possibility to make your life easier for loading and unloading. Okay, so I got my Rugcel truck crane mounted. I made a trailer hitch mount for it, and I think that's good and sturdy. So I'm just going to do a quick demonstration here with it. It's adjustable at 3 points here, and I've got it set to B, so it'll go higher and lower. And it has 3 points here for reach. What I really like about it is the bearings here. It turns pretty smooth. It can reach further, it has more travel because the line can go out for a long ways. So that's good. It has no problem lifting, and it has a locking mechanism here to lock the bearing so it doesn't rotate when you don't want it to. So I'll unlock it, and the rotation is going to be pretty effortless within the bearings. So there's a roller bearing in here, and the top half rotates smooth as butter. It's pretty much effortless. And going up and down is effortless as well with the remote and electric winch. So this thing definitely has the possibility to make your life easier for loading and unloading. This box says machine lift heavy, so I figured it'd be good for a demonstration. So if you have to load or unload something like this that requires machine lift, maybe you can do it with this. So I think my 2 favorite things about it is the electric winch, because like I said, the line has a lot of in and out travel compared to a hydraulic ram that can only go up and down so far. And the bearings in here, they're really strong and smooth. and it rotates really easy. There is a handle here for manual rotation if you want to stay away from the load, but I find you have really good control of the load if you have someone controlling the load, but I can do it effortlessly by myself, so that's a win. That's good. Do not hang people. Not meant for humans. Well, where's the fun in that?